So she changed the way she cooked this because I used to not do it with the oil. So now she's like, I don't do it with the oil because I saw you not do it with the oil. So now this is now her technique. Even though I don't understand how the chicken's gonna cook without the oil.
I cook everything so hot.
Okay.
I love the chili. Không có cay, nó hot.
It's not hot.
Nó hot.
That's so much chili.
Yeah,
It's
nó
not. she literally just threw 2 whole chilies in.
Yeah.
Oh,
Có lên mông.
she said that you're cute.
Cười lắm.
Oh my god, that looks so good. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are cooking a dish that's very special to me and that I've got my mum with me as well. Hi.
Hi.
She's kind of nervous. She's also been wanting to jump on this for a while because she loves YouTube. We're cooking the dish that got me eliminated from MasterChef in 2020. It is Mum's ginger caramel chicken. I did it with quail and made it fine dining. It wasn't fine dining enough. There was a bone in my quail. All of the bad things, cry. Watch the video where I literally cry about being eliminated on MasterChef. It's on the YouTube as well. All right, Mum.
Yes.
What are we doing?
I cook the first one, the oil coming.
Oil?
Oh,
okay.
no. Only sugar first.
Sugar.
Yeah.
Okay, so first up, we're making a caramel. So power on, sugar goes in. Then you?
Half. Yeah, half.
That much? Okay,
Yeah.
cool. I'll have quantities for you below. Mum doesn't work in quantities. She just pours things. And then, you know.
Maybe wait a few minutes. Maybe hết đi. Ít
Yeah,
quá
okay.
nó không có màu.
Okay,
Yeah.
so what Mum's saying is that there's not enough sugar in it. It doesn't make a caramel color. And what you're doing here is trying to make a caramel color.
Yeah.
Có dầu vô không?
No.
No.
Sẵn quảng cáo cái này.
Không. No. Absolutely not. No.
Okay. Enough.
We're fighting about things. Don't worry.
I love cooking every day. After we finish work, come home cooking every time.
Cute. The sugar's taking ages.
Cho nó vàng á.
Okay, so what Mum's saying now is that we're waiting for the sugar to brown. I do this differently from her, so this is really confusing me now because I don't make a dry caramel. I use the oil to burn the caramel. So this is new for me.
You want more quick? Put here a minute.
So she changed the way she cooked this because I used to not do it with the oil. So now she's like, I don't do it with the oil because I saw you not do it with the oil. So now this is now her technique. Even though I don't understand how the chicken's gonna cook without the oil.
Khi nào nó vàng á, cỡ brown sugar á, thì cái màu nó đẹp lắm.
So what she's saying is you need it to caramelize to the color of brown sugar. So really dark. It's a really dark caramel. Vậy sao mày làm gì?
Bỏ gà vô chưa đâu nha. Chưa.
Dạ, trong cái này không có miếng dầu nào hết.
Không có miếng dầu nào hết. Good lắm. Không cần ăn dầu.
I am so confused. She's saying that there is no oil that goes into this.
Nè, look color very nice. You come here.
Mum. Đâu cần kêu nó vô đâu. Okay, so at this, mày ngừng cái. At this rate, mày nhảy ngừng cái đi. That's the color you want. Into that goes the chicken. I've got chicken
And
Maryland pieces, so they're like the thigh and the leg together. I've got my butcher, Mum, to chop it up into little pieces for me.
nước mắm. And có thường mà nấu thì có flour chicken đó.
No.
No.
We're
No,
also
they don't
having
do
a little
that.
argument about the fact that she uses chicken stock at this point, and I do not. Mum.
Cho nóng chút xíu.
Next up, we're going to pop in fish sauce. But Mum says
Đẹp
it
dễ
needs to
sợ
be.
không?
She's saying that the colour's very pretty. How long?
Chừng nào nó hơi nhìn thấy màu nó đều hết á.
Like how long?
Yeah, about 2 minutes.
So 2 minutes
Two
is
minutes.
how long it takes for the chicken to get coated in the caramel. Bao nhiêu vậy?
About 3 muỗng ăn phở á.
Okay, so Mum thinks there's about 3 tablespoons of fish sauce in there. 3 muỗng ăn phở.
3 muỗng ăn phở.
Which is 3
three
spoons
cup.
that you eat pho with.
Yeah.
That's how we measure things here.
A little bit water.
So a little bit water, what that does is it creates like a lot of moisture that can bubble up. So at this point, the caramel is coloring the chicken. We're gonna cover it and let it bubble. As it bubbles, the brown liquid covers the chicken, it colors the chicken.
Tại sao mà đóng cái nắp lại? Thứ nhất cho nó
giải thích rồi. Con mới giải thích rồi.
cho cái màu nó,
Con giải thích rồi.
rồi cho nó mau chín.
Con giải thích luôn rồi. She's like, are you telling them this? I was like,
Yeah.
yep, I've said that. Yep, I've said that, and I've said that. Bao lâu? How long?
I think about 5 minutes. Have a look, check. About 1-2 minutes, check enough the color and open.
Okay, so she thinks it might take 5 minutes all up in cooking, but every 2 or so minutes we will check on it. Okay, so that's been cooking for about 4 minutes now. Mum's gonna pop in some of the sliced ginger. I've used old ginger here because it's a little bit more spicy than young ginger. Quantities will be below.
Chút xíu nước, không đủ nước cho mình cover cái sôi lên đó.
Okay, she was adding more water in because she wants it to bubble and engulf the chicken. Có ớt vô bây giờ luôn không?
Không, chứ chừng nào nó chín hết mới thả ớt luôn, cho nó đẹp thôi á.
She's saying that the chilies are there for looks and not for flavor, so we're not going to do that now. I think it's for both, and I would usually add half of mine now. Different, very different. Bao how long?
5 minutes.
Another
5 minutes.
Mày nghĩ là 5 minutes thì không ta? Nãy là cũng 5 minutes, mà 5 minutes. 9, 10.
Dưới 10 phút không có hơi.
Okay, cool. 5 to 10 minutes. She keeps telling me 5 minutes, but I think it's a lie. So she's saying it's 5 to 10 minutes now. So we'll come back and we'll check on about 5 minutes and see how it's gone. Okay, tới đâu rồi?
Dạ, bây giờ thử coi.
Okay, she's gonna have a look at it. She's gonna try it. What are we trying? Are we trying the sauce?
Màu đẹp quá. Nice color.
Nice color.
Very nice. Được ăn lắm rồi.
Yeah, it's good. Ready? Finish?
Yes.
Lấy ra.
Lấy ra ăn.
Serve.
Okay.
Okay. We're gonna serve it. What would you eat this with? Ăn gì?
Ăn với cơm á. It's with the rice.
Eat with rice?
And some the rau sống với leo rồi đó.
Okay, so she said that you serve this with rice, which is correct. She taught me how to do that. We also have it with herbs like lettuce, coriander, spring onions, sometimes Vietnamese mint, but also really, really beautiful cooling cucumbers. Slice it really thinly, have it on the side. Heaven. Yum. We usually cut this a little bit smaller when we eat at home, so it cooks a little faster, and we have it with like gizzards and chicken hearts and things like that as well. But here, I think this is great for food prep, big chunks. If you don't like the bone, you can definitely just use the fillets, but I find that it's a lot sweeter with the bone in. Yum. Sauce.
Lấy hết gừng xuống nha mẹ.
She wants all the ginger. The ginger would have cooked down really nicely and become quite sweet and also salty as well.
Oh,
do you want this?
Thương quá. Yes, yes.
Okay, so coriander. Lá thôi không?
Lá đây con.
She just wants the tops of the coriander.
Nó không có cay, nó hot.
It's not hot.
Nó hot.
That's so much chili.
Yep,
It's
nó
not. She literally just threw 2 whole chilies in.
Yeah.
She's like, I'm done, I'm out. I'm finished now. This is all you. Okay. Mom,
Yes.
come back.
Yes.
Come back.
Okay.
All right. So this is
Gà kho gừng.
This is gà kho gừng,
Yep.
or what I like to call ginger caramel chicken. Super easy. This took all of about 20 minutes to make. If you chop it up smaller, it takes even less time. Give it a go. It got me eliminated off MasterChef, but it's still a banging dish. It's really good. It was just not up to scratch because of the bones in it last time. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
See you guys next time. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, do all those beautiful things, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.